Welcome to Classic Auto American. In this video, we're diving into 25 questions about classic cars. Subscribe now and let's see if you've got fuel in the tank. Let's play the quiz. Here comes your first challenge. A. 1953 Bristol 403. B. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. C. 1951 Cunningham C3 Continental. D. 1964 Plymouth Barracuda. This classic is C. In this classic, A. 1970 Buick GSX. B. 1957 Scarab MK. C. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. D. 1967 Triumph GT6. The right answer is A. Let's see what you really know. A. 1923 Ballot 2 LTS. B. 1926 Amilcar CGSS. C. 1937 Bugatti Holder. D. 1938 Panhard at Levasseur X76. This one is D. Next classic car, A. 1937 Packard 120 Model 120. B. 1953 Packard Caribbean. C. 1955 Chevrolet 210. D. Ford Deluxe 5. If you pick B, you're correct. Your choice is hard. A. 1983 Opel Monza GSE. B. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino. C. 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix. D. 1987 Lotus Turbo Esprit HC. This classic is How about this one? A. 1932 Cadillac Series 370. B. 1942 Lincoln Continental. C. 1935 Packard 120 Model 120A. D. 1929 Bentley Speed 6. Your car style is C. Next car, A. 1969 Mustang Fastback. B. 1965 Ford Shelby GT350. C. 1968 Chevrolet Biscayne 427. D. 1954 DeSoto Adventurer 2. You're right if you pick D. In this vintage car, A. 1952 Seata 400L. B. 1933 Chrysler Special GS1. C. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Yenko. D. 1952 Cadillac Roadster. The right answer is D. Choose the correct one. A. 1967 Unipower GT. B. 1970 Ford Falcon GT. C. 1966 Ford Mustang. D. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. The answer is A. 1967 Unipower GT. Do you think this is A. 1956 Lincoln Premier. B. 1965 Buick Skylark. C. 1959 Cadillac Cyclone XP74. D. 1961 Imperial Crown. The right answer is B. How's your score so far? If you're loving, hit that subscribe button now and let's play again. In this one, A. 1955 Aston Martin DB2. B. 1950 Ferrari 250 GT. C. 1963 Lancia Flaminia 3C. D. 1967 Triumph GT6. The answer is C. Lancia Flaminia 3C. A. 1933 Willys Knight Great 6. B. 1938 Buick Y-Job Concept. C. 1955 Buick Riviera Special Model 40. D. 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxy Club Victoria. If you guess B, you're correct. Any idea? A. 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 300. B. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. C. 1968 Chevrolet Biscayne 427. D. 1970 Dodge Challenger. The correct choice is A. Next challenges. A. 1970 Chaparral 2J. B. 1981 Audi Quartz Coupe. C. 1974 Jensen Interceptor 3. D. 1988 Ford Mustang. This one is C. Halfway there, more playing. A. 1956 Mercury Montclair. B. 1953 Kaiser Traveler. C. 1955 Chevrolet 210. D. 1952 Cadillac Roadster. The correct answer is C. In this car, A. 1936 Packard 120 model. B. 1938 Delahai 165 Cabriolet. C. 1932 Ford V8. D. 1937 Panhard et Levasseur Keck 77. The correct choice is B. Guess this car. A. 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. B. 1970 Ford GT70. C. 1970 Monteverde High 450 SS. D. 1987 Lotus Turbo Esprit HC. This one is C. In this classic car, A. 1972 Plymouth Duster. B. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass. C. 1962 Dodge Dart. D. 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. This is A. 1972 Plymouth Duster. A. 1989 Dodge Viper Concept. B. 1954 Dodge Fire Arrow 3 Sport. C. 1966 Mercury Cyclone GT. D. 1963 Ford Falcon Sprint. You're right if you pick B. Your choice is hard. A. 1959 Pontiac Bonneville. B. 1961 Imperial Crown Convertible. C. 1959 Lincoln Continental Mark VI. D. 1954 Buick Skylark. If you pick A, you're correct. Next classic car. A. 1951 Mercury Sedan Custom. B. 1930 Amokar C6. C. 1926 Volvo OV4. D. 1933 Ford V8. This is D. 1933 Ford V8. A. 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. B. 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix 2+2 Aero Coupe. C. 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute. D. 1967 Ford Fairlane GTA. The correct choice is A. Pick from A. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Yanko. B. 1964 Pontiac Le Mans GTO. C. 1968 Chevrolet Biscayne 427. D. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Your dream is C. In this car, A. 1966 Oldsmobile Torado. B. 1972 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. C. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Resto Mod. D. 1964 Plymouth Barracuda. You're right if you pick D. Choose the correct one. A. 1953 Chevrolet Handywagon. B. 1969 Ford Falcon GTHO. C. 1974 Triumph TR6. D. 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. Your car style is B. Quiz over! How did you do? Like, comment your score, and subscribe for the next video and keep your engine on!